In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Milanote board. Milanote is a fantastic platform for creative professionals to organize their projects visually, and sharing your board effectively can really enhance collaboration with your team or clients. Now, let's dive into the steps to make your Milanote board shareable. Whether you are working on a design project, a brainstorming session, or a creative writing draft. First, you'll need to open the board that you want to share. Head over to your Milanote dashboard and look for the specific board you're working on. Once you've located it, simply click to open it. This board is where all your project details, ideas, and inspirational elements are contained, so getting it ready to share is crucial for effective collaboration. Next, you'll notice a Share button in the top right corner of your board screen. This button is your gateway to giving others access to your board. Click on the Share button, and you'll be presented with several options to customize how others can interact with your board. One way to share your board is by inviting someone to edit it. This can be particularly useful if you're working together on a project and need multiple people to make changes and contribute ideas directly to the board. To do this, enter the email of the person you want to invite in the Invite Editors via email field. Do keep in mind that the person you're inviting will need to have a free Milanote account in order to edit the board, so they might need to sign up if they haven't already. Alternatively, if you want someone to only comment on your board, perhaps to provide feedback rather than make direct changes, you'll need to set up the board differently. First, enable the read-only link toggle. After that's done, allow for comments and reactions, ensuring that your collaborator can engage with your board in a limited but meaningful way, perfect for getting feedback without risking accidental changes to your work. Lastly, if you need to allow someone just to view your board, you should keep it simple. Again, start by enabling the read-only link toggle. This time, you'll need to disable any editing or commenting permissions. Once you have your settings just right, go ahead and copy the link that's generated. This link can then be sent directly to your viewers through email, messaging apps, or any other preferred method. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with sharing your Milanote boards effectively. Whether editing, commenting, or just viewing, understanding these settings will open up your projects to the valuable input and collaboration of others on your team. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.